In this video, I will show you how to get started with your newly acquired GlucoIII or GlucoIII Plus. To turn on the device, all you need to do is to press the power button until you see a text displaying on the LCD. So I will hold the power button until I see the text, just like that. You see the text ready. And from there, I can either insert a test strip or pre-program a reading. Let's go with the insertion of a expired or valid test strip. The moment I insert a test strip, I see in progress on my screen. Now let's switch to the interface of control. From the tablet, I want to click on Connect right here. And then I will select the GlucoIII demo, which is the device that we can see with this view. I don't need to wait until the search bar ends. The moment that I selected the device, I can secure the connection by clicking on the chain icon. From there, see, I have detected the insertion of the test strip. It's flashing in red. It means send a reading right away. From there, I can either write down a new reading as follow, or I can erase that and select a reading that I've sent previously. For example, 300. And all I need to do is to click the send button and it shows directly on the display. Now, if I want to use a preset feature, all I need to do is to select a reading, or again, write down from scratch a new reading. Notice here that the sending button has disappeared and has been replaced with a preset button. So I simply click on preset, and can you read what it's written? Value preset waiting for signal. That means that the moment that I will insert a new test strip, the reading 899 will show on the device. As described, it shows directly on the device. Now, you will tell me, but what is this timer? Why is it taking a few seconds and not displaying right away the reading? This is something that you can actually edit. If you want to go right next to the name of the device, and you want to go to the processing time. So this is where you will be able to change the delay. From there, I can do 10 seconds, save it, then click X or back. And for my next reading, we'll put 569. I will preset the reading. And my next reading should take 10 seconds to display. See? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And just like that, it shows on the device. Now, you have more than one glucometer and you want to rename them. How can you differentiate them? Note that most of the time, the glucometer won't have this gluco_milligram demo. So if I click on the button, it is most likely that it will show gluco_D378. So this is the default name and you cannot edit it. Even if I click on it, there's nothing you can do. But the name here, where there's a pen, this is editable. What we have seen in countless institutions is that once they receive a device, they label it. For example, GlucoRoom 2, GlucoRoom 3, or GlucoYellow, GlucoBlue, GlucoRed, and they label it directly on the device. And this way, all the instructors or the lab technician that are in charge of the simulation, they know which device they are controlling. And from there, I can simply rename the device and call it GlucoRoom 1 and save the name. And for the next time that I will search for a device on this tablet, I will see the gluco showing as GlucoRoom 1. It may happen that you are not always using the same tablet or the same interface of control to send a reading on your device. For example, here we have a mobile and a tablet to control the device. If I click on the mobile phone over here, connect, I see two baby S available, but I don't see a glucometer. The reason behind this is simply because once you're connected with a device, you won't be able to see the same device on another interface of control. In order to see the glucometer on the mobile phone, I need to disconnect from the tablet. So what I'll do is I'll click on the gluco. I have different ways to do it. The easiest way is simply to click on the pen, and from there I can select disconnect. I confirm the selection. Yes. Now I'm disconnected from the glucometer and see, suddenly it has appeared for the Android phone. And now I'm connected with the glucometer directly from my mobile phone. And from there, I can send a new reading, preset, and send it right away. Or I can write down 422. I go back, preset, send now. Just like that. So thank you for your attention and see you in the next video.